Hello everyone, welcome back to this house of fashion. Hope you have a wonderful day. Today I'll be showing you how to sew a suitable corset with a box. You can see the box, a round bag that I've cut out. This is my cup that I'm using. This is two cup that I'm using at this area. This is the main lace and this is the facing that I've cut out. This is the sewable bony. You can see you cannot sew on this type of bony. You can only sew on this type of bony. We have two bony here. You can use any one of these. If you are using this, after stitching it with 1/2 inch, the next thing is to separate with the iron. I'm going to show you all that and add your bony directly to it and sew it at the two ends. You can see it. But if you're using this, you have to make it of bias. After stitching this area, you separate it and you place your bias and you sew your bias on top of it before you can now pull this inside the bias. That is when you are not using sewable body. So let me go and sew this and show you how to attach this to make your back stand very well. This is the facing that I'm using and I've already put my gum stay. Just doubled the gum stay. You can see it. So let me go and join it and show it to you. This is after stitching it together. You can see it. You can see the lines. You can see the line, the 3 lines. You can see the other side. I've separated it with iron, and this is where I'm going to, at the center here, that is the way I'm going to place my bony. But I'll be leaving 1/2 inch here so that it won't reach the top here because of the sewing allowance. And when I get to this down part too, I'm going to leave 1/2 inch so that it won't reach the down part. The same thing applicable to the sides too. So this is the main fabric and this is the face. You can see I've done the same to the facing also. So the next thing to put now is to put this. I'm going to take the measurement and deduct 1/2 inch from both ends. So to know the length of the bony, you can see I'm going to take the length. The length here is 14 minus 1/2 inch for the sewing allowance. So I'm going to make it to be 13 inches. So here's my 13 inches here. So I'm going to place it now. This is after adding the bone into it. You can see that's how I told you you're going to leave 1/2 inch up, 1/2 inch down. The same thing applicable to the other side too. And this is a covered cup. So the next thing is just for me to add it up to this area to where it's supposed to be. You can see it. So you can see. So the next thing to go and do now is to place my cup and show it to you. Welcome back. This is after stitching it together with the lining. You can see the facing. This is the facing. I use the facing to turn every part of the corset. You can see it. This is the cup. You can see the way we attach the cup. This is the center. This is the other cup, and you can see the side. This is the one side of it. Stitch it down. I face it, then I stitch it down to make it neat at the one side, and I make it of bias here. You can see, just to tape the cup in. You can see, how beautiful this is. This is a box with a bone, because I showed you the bone that inserts here to make it stand the way you are seeing it here now. So for those people watching me for the first time here in the guys, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, and for those people that have already subscribed, I really appreciate you guys for watching my video. If you like this tutorial so far, make sure you give it a thumbs up and on your notification bell so that whenever I upload any tutorial, you'll be notified. See you in my next class. Bye.